Welcome to this Advent Computers slideshow tutorial showing you how to upgrade your Windows 7 powered Advent PC to Windows 8. We'll reveal everything you need to know from preparing your computer for the upgrade to installing and running through the Windows 8 setup wizard. Windows 7 users can install Windows 8 over the top of Windows 7, which preserves your programs, settings and personal files. You can perform an upgrade installation whether you purchase Windows 8 as a download or buy a copy of it on DVD. Before starting the upgrade process, we recommend you perform the following steps. First, take a backup of your files and settings using Windows Easy Transfer, following our guide at adventcomputers.co.uk. Look in the Everyday Computing section. Make sure you're logged into Windows as an administrator and, if you're using a laptop, that your computer is plugged into the mains. We also recommend connecting your computer to the network via an Ethernet cable if possible. Finally, check for application and driver updates. The latter can be found through Windows Update. Before you begin, you can check to see if your Advent PC has been tested for Windows 8 by visiting our website. Browse to adventcomputers.co.uk, then click the Windows 8 link. Scroll down and click Can I upgrade my existing PC? Now scroll down again and click the Product Range drop-down menu. Select your manufacturer from the list and then pick Laptop, Netbook or Desktop from the Product Type drop-down menu. Next, click Show Models. Now click the Choose drop-down menu and pick your PC's exact model from the drop-down list before clicking Go. Make a note of the results. Even if your PC hasn't been tested, there's a good chance it will work if it's currently running Windows 7, but Advent cannot guarantee that it will. Before proceeding further, use the Product Downloads link to select your computer's make and model again, then download a copy of all available drivers which you should store in a safe location just in case they're needed. If you plan to purchase Windows 8 as a download, go to windows.microsoft.com/UK and click Download and Shop. Scroll down and click Buy Windows 8, followed by Download Pro for $24.99. When prompted, save the file Windows 8 Upgrade Assistant .exe to your hard drive. When the download completes, open your Downloads folder and double-click Windows 8 Upgrade Assistant, clicking Run followed by Yes when prompted. The Upgrade Assistant will begin by scanning your computer for potential compatibility issues. It'll then display a list of its findings. Click See Compatibility Details if you want to see what problems it's found. Click Close when done. Now click Next. Assuming you're upgrading from Windows 7, leave Windows Settings, Personal Files and Apps selected and click Next again. Click the Order button to purchase Windows 8 Pro. Only tick Windows DVD if you wish to purchase a backup copy of the installation files. Otherwise, click Checkout. Enter your personal details on the next page, making sure it matches your billing address for your payment card. Click Next, then choose to pay by PayPal or credit card, entering your card details when prompted before clicking Next again. Enter any promo code you might have before clicking Apply, then confirm your order details. Tick to agree to the terms and conditions and click Buy. PayPal users will now be prompted to log in to complete the payment. You'll be told that the product key has been emailed to you, but it will also be displayed on screen. Click Next to download the installation files. You'll see an estimate of how long the download will take, which may fluctuate wildly at first, before finally settling down as the file begins to download. It'll be a lengthy process depending on the speed of your internet connection, so be prepared to leave the Upgrade Assistant to its own devices. Once the download is complete, the Upgrade Assistant will then check the download to make sure it's OK. Another pause beckons while the Upgrade Assistant gets the installation files ready. It'll then provide you with three options. We recommend creating installation media for backup purposes, so select Install by creating media and click Next. If you have a spare USB flash drive handy that's at least 3 GB in size, make sure it's plugged in, leave USB flash drive selected and click Next. And then select your drive from the list. Click Next again and follow the instructions, noting that it will wipe the entire drive. If you want to burn a DVD, however, select ISO file instead and click Save. Make a note of the save location before clicking Finish or click Open DVD Burner to burn the disk there and then. You can start the installation process from your DVD, or by double-clicking the Upgrade Assistant shortcut on the desktop. The process varies depending on which method you're using to install Windows. If you're going down the DVD route, you will be prompted to enter your product key, but otherwise you'll follow a similar set of steps to that provided by the Upgrade Assistant. If following the Upgrade Assistant, leave Install Now selected along with Keep Windows Settings, Personal Files and Apps before clicking Next and waiting. When the license agreement appears, tick the box and click Accept. The Upgrade Assistant will now check for any unresolved issues. If it finds any, follow the instructions to resolve them, restarting if necessary and relaunching the Upgrade Assistant again after doing so. The Upgrade Assistant may also download updates to ensure it works, restarting the install process again at the License Terms screen. When it's ready to proceed, review what's been done and click Install to go on with the process or back to make changes. Windows will now start to upgrade your computer to Windows 8. A progress meter will keep you informed as to the installation process and make a note of the fact your PC will restart several times during the upgrade. It's quite lengthy, so go and make a cup or two of tea while you wait. After the first restart, you should see the Windows 8 logo appear with a number of messages such as preparing and getting devices ready. Windows will restart a number of times during this phase of the upgrade process. After a message informing you that settings are being moved disappears, you'll be taken to the Post Setup wizard. Start by choosing a colour scheme for the Windows Start screen using the slider. Just click on a colour until you find one to your taste. Now look for an ING symbol to the right of the next button at the bottom of the screen, click it and select English United Kingdom if necessary to change it to ING UK. Click Next to continue. Verify the Express settings chosen match your requirements. In most cases they offer the best blend of protection, security, privacy and convenience, so click Use Express settings. Alternatively, click Customize to work your way through a wizard, selecting each setting manually from a list of choices. Just click your chosen setting to move to the next one. Signing in with a Microsoft account allows you to download apps from the Windows Store plus sync your user settings across multiple PCs and devices when you sign into them. If you already have a Microsoft or Windows Live account, use that account's email address. Alternatively, enter your own email address to sign up for an account and click Next, then follow the prompts. To continue using your current user account from Windows 7, click Skip. Your user account will be created and you'll see some messages helping explain how to use the new features in Windows 8 as your computer sets up your user account and installs any required apps. Eventually, you'll find yourself at the new Start screen, ready to start using Windows 8 on your PC.